Hello everybody, this is Tyler Herndon with Tyler's Offer Vehicle Repair. I just want to make a video to help out anybody on here that has that early 2000s Sportsman 500. These machines are getting older now, and a lot of people are having issues with shifting. Let's say the bike's driving on its own in gear when it's idling, issues like that. I just want to help people out and show them what to look for when you get in this belt box. There's a one-way bearing right under that belt. That's the first issue. If that fails, and the way you can check it with the belt box off is you should be able to turn this secondary clutch clockwise, but not counterclockwise. If that is the case, then your one-way bearing's good. If it's really, just really stiff to turn, or it's spinning the other way fine, then you're going to probably have some issues. But in this case, if you're having shifting issues, most likely it's going to be really hard to turn. There should be a little bit of resistance, but nothing too crazy. It does spin fine. Secondly, on this customer, he had an issue with belt alignment and the pulleys. This secondary clutch was out too far, and that causes this belt to rub against the inside of the primary, engaging it all the time. As you can see now, we have equal gaps on each side of this belt, and that's what you're looking for. If you get yourself a puller like this, you can get one on Amazon, you can get one from EPI or anywhere of your choice. And if you pop this secondary bolt out and run this puller in, make sure you grease the threads. On the back of this clutch will be 5, I think, factory spacers. And this case, the belt was too close to the outside of this primary, so we need to bring this secondary clutch inwards to bring that belt inwards. So I removed 2 of these factory shims, and now the belt rides really good on the inside. And putting it back together, when you start it up to test it, it should not be spinning this pulley at idle. And as you can see, it's not spinning. That moves freely. And that's exactly what you're looking for. I hope this helps anyone out, and just leave any questions or any other things you want to see. If y'all have any other issues, just comment them, and I'll help you out later.